how to buy stick wars token. So this token came under the symbol of stick. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 2 hours ago and increased by 5,000% in the last 24 hours. Now to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, as you can see, now first of all, I will just log into my wallet to be able to buy this token. Now what you do here, just go into top right corner and click here and make sure to select the business network. After that, click on this plus icon and paste token at the center search bar. Now as you can see, this is our token. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and search for your token until you find it. If you don't find it here, you can click on this search icon and you can type the token name in the search bar. As you can see, in this case it will be stick like that. So after you find it, now just click on it and now here click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, scroll down and you will be able to find here, so click on it, and after that you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy stick token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.